Ji Chang-wook and Im Yo-ah in 2025, the K2 real life partner reveal. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Real name Ji Chang-wook. Nickname: he is affectionately called the Action Prince by fans due to his frequent roles in intense action dramas. Profession: Ji Chang-wook is a multi-talented South Korean actor and singer. He began his career in musical theatre before transitioning to television and film. Agency: as of 2025, Ji Chang-wook is managed by Spring Company, a reputable entertainment agency known for supporting top-tier actors. The agency has helped him land leading roles in dramas and film while maintaining his image as one of Korea's most bankable stars. Date of birth and zodiac sign: Ji Chang-wook was born on July 5, 1987, making his zodiac sign Cancer. Cancers are known for being loyal, emotional, and protective, traits that aligns well with Ji Chang-wook's on-screen personas. Birthplace: Ji Chang-wook hails from South Korea. Education: Ji Chang-wook attended Bangkok University majoring in theatre and film. His formal education provided him with the theatrical foundation and stage experience that would later define his sharp acting skills. Rise to fame: though Wook began with minor roles, he caught public attention with the drama Smile Again, but it was in portrayal of Emperor Ta Hwan in Empress Ki that launched him into stardom. His intense role in Healer further cemented his status, especially in action thrillers like The K2. Music career: Ji Chang-wook is also a talented singer. He has contributed vocals to the soundtracks of his dramas such as A Healer and Suspicious Partner. Additionally, he has performed in musical theatre showcasing his vocal strength in productions like Thriller Me and The Days. Net worth: as of 2025, Ji Chang-wook's estimated net worth ranges between 12 to 15 million US dollars. Income sources: Ji Chang-wook's income stems from multiple streams, including television dramas, films, OSTs, musical theatre endorsements, fan meetings, and commercial campaigns. He is a preferred face for brands in fashion, electronics, skincare, and beverages. Famous chemistry: Ji Chang-wook's chemistry with Yoon in the K2 was highly prized. Their dynamic as a protector and protected made for a compelling romantic tension. Audiences were captivated by their natural interactions, especially during emotionally intense or vulnerable scenes. Final note: Ji Chang-wook continues to be one of the most respected and admired Korean actors of his generation, with a career that balances action, romance, and drama. His work ethic and sincerity keep him at the top of the entertainment world. Next, real name Im Yo-ah, nickname Yuna. Profession: Yuna is a South Korean actress, singer, and model. She first debuted as a member of Girls' Generation, one of the most legendary K-pop girls group of all time. Agency: Yuna is signed with SM Entertainment, the same agency that launched Girls' Generation. SM has continued to manage her solo music, acting roles, endorsements, and public image. Date of birth and zodiac sign: Im Yo-ah was born on May 30, 1990, which makes her zodiac sign Gemini. As a Gemini, she is often seen as a charming, curious, and communicative, all qualities reflected in her approachable public persona. Birthplace: Yona was born in Seoul, South Korea. Education: Yona graduated from university where she studied theatre and film. She was recognized for outstanding attendance and academic achievements. Rise to fame: Yona rose to stardom as the visual and lead dancer of Girls' Generation, debuting in 2007. Her visuals made her an intense sensation. She began acting in 2008 and gained critical acclaim for roles in Love Rain, The King in Love, and The K2. Music career: Yona's music career started with Girls' Generation, who became global sensations with hits like G Jenny and I Got a Boy. She also released solo singles and participated in OSTs for various dramas. Net worth: Yona's estimated net worth in 2025 is approximately 20 million US dollars. Income sources: Yona's income sources are vast, including SNSD royalties, solo music, acting contracts, beauty and fashion endorsements, magazine covers, and public events. Famous chemistry: Yona had phenomenal on-screen chemistry with Ji Chang-wook in The K2. Their intense scenes, both emotional and physical, created a strong bond that fans deeply appreciated. Final note: Yona has become a beloved figure in Korean entertainment. Her transition from a K-pop idol to a respected actress showcases her dedication and versatility. She continues to influence fans around the world with her grace, professionalism, and charm. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.